Welcome back to another episode. Now, I noticed, or I'm sure you've noticed, that we've been doing a lot of old videos. At least I've been editing a lot of old videos. Trying to get those old ones out because I did honestly find some extra ones. Oh, by the way, I did find some more, so there's going to be some more ones out. But the reason why there's not a whole lot of new footage is because it's something we've been doing on the house. So there's a few things that have been keeping us busy. One of them I'm going to show you now. Now, we have been living in our current home for about 20 years, and some things need a bit of an upgrade, especially the kids' bathroom. So that's one of the major projects we've been doing for the last few weeks, is trying to get the bathroom done for our kids. And also, a possibility down the road, maybe selling the house, maybe, keeping the house as a retirement home. We don't know yet. But we still want to upgrade anyway, because especially the kids' bathroom, it definitely needed it. So this is what we did.
The first day was the easiest. We simply pulled out the old sink, toilet, and shower unit. The first step of creating the updated bathroom was the installing of the new shower unit. We then moved on to the tile floor. Looks like wood, doesn't it? Installing the medicine cabinet and new piping was what we decided to do next. Now it's time for the wall tile. The red things are spacers. Now we're getting excited. We are so close at getting done. And here's the finished product, complete with soft closing toilet seat and soft closing drawers. We have the same amount of light in the bathroom as before, but the reflective tile surface makes it look much brighter. And to top it all off, a timed exhaust fan.
Well, I hope you found the photo montage of the boys' bathroom, the guest bathroom, being upgraded. It was definitely a lot of work, a lot of heartache, but it got done. And of course, we did have a lot of help from an outside service. So thank you to those people. And it's finally done. So we're happy. I hope you like what you see. And maybe to give you some ideas for upgrading in your home as well. So that's kind of the idea why I was sharing. And also to explain why we've been doing old footage as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Oh, and hit that bell too while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.